Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix Instagram challenge required. The challenge required issue can occasionally prevent your IP address from accessing Instagram for a day or two or more. You won't be able to access Instagram after seeing this message. Now, what can be the reasons why you encounter this kind of error? One of the factors is, of course, your internet. If you experience having this kind of errors, it only means that you are experiencing also a very poor connection. To solve this, all you have to do is to switch from Wi-Fi to data. And after that, you can also switch from data to Wi-Fi and try to figure out which one or which internet is stronger. So once you do this, I hope that the problem will be solved. If not, try the other way. Go to your phone settings, scroll down and look for additional settings, which is here. Tap this one. Under additional settings, scroll down and look for backup and reset. And then click this one. Go to backup and restore. Click agree. And then go to erase all data. Kindly click reset system settings only. After doing this, I hope that when you go back to your Instagram, challenge required is fixed. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.